Good morning, everyone. It is so amazing to be here. I love this community and I love this school. And teachers, if you can stand up, I want to just spend just a moment just recognizing all of your hard work. So teachers, if you can stand up and let's give them a round of applause. Teachers, you are amazing.
Over 35 years ago, a man named Lowell Milken created a program to honor outstanding educators. The program's called the Milken Educator Awards. And before we leave, a teacher at RST is going to receive this national award.
$25,000.
$25,000. The Milken Educator Award goes to Ashli Knoell. Magali Gomez.
I've known from a very young age how important it is to be a teacher. And now to be able to work with so many amazing educators across the state of New Mexico and across the country, it is a privilege to be here today to find some of our best.
And why I'm so proud to be here today, I want to say thank you for the Milken Foundation for the work that's being done to recognize educators all across the country. And educators never forget the impact that you make on children, on families, on communities. Because this world does not exist without educators.
When I see my students achieve, my face hurts, and I hope that those are the cool memories that they take with them to secondary school. It helps break these generational stigmas of like, my mom didn't go to school, my dad didn't go to school, and be like, and that's okay, that's understandable, but look, you can, and you can do this. So when they achieve and they see how much they can do, and then their parents see, be like, oh man, he's really smart. Like, yeah, you got a smart kid. It shows that they are capable and that they are part of the community and that they are, valuable members to the community.
I have students in over 13 competitions, ranging from coding to running robots, and there's just all kinds of really cool stuff. I teach because they're my future. I teach because I want my son to grow up in a world that's amazing, and because each of these humans, they have a purpose and they matter and they can be successful and change our world.
Today, one of my favorite teachers, Miss Knoell, won a National Teachers Award, and I feel very proud and ecstatic for her. She's the reason that I want to be a teacher. She deserves this and the world.
After receiving the Milken Award, so many opportunities opened up for me. It's just all your dreams and hopes come true because you have a voice and people are listening, and so you can really make a difference.